myself Juhi Kaneda. I am an assistant professor in Parul Engineering Institute. Myself Tejan Patel. I am from Parul Institute of Technology and IT department.
And myself Meena Chauhan from Sadvidya Mandal Institute, Bharuch, Computer IT department. Starting with the empathy canvas, we have designed this for working women because we are empathize means to emotionally connect with anything. So we are working women. So we have designed this for working women because we are emotionally attached with ourselves. Now the user is the woman, obviously. The stakeholder contains it includes all the members which are connected with the working woman at home and at home, and the other at the office, that means at workplace. And activity contains the every activities which are done by the stakeholders and the users. And the story warning contains the happy story and sad story, which reflects the emotional aspect of these activities, which is happy or sad.
Once the empathy phase is complete, the next comes the ideation canvas, wherein you put on your ideas, whatever the empathy which you have created in the previous canvas, that you put on together with certain kind of technological aspects as well as the ideas. And here we have the first is the people. It is similar to the stakeholders and the users who are going to ultimately be using your product, as well as the person who will be assisting you in the development process of your product. Then come the activities. As we have listed before, the activities, the same kind of activities are there, but here in the ideation canvas we will be elaborating it into much of the details. We will be analyzing each and every activity, going into the depth of each aspect. And then we have the situation, context and location. In the situation, context and location comes the activities related to certain situations. Say driving is one of the activity, but it can be connected with an aspect, say driving in rain or driving in cold season, wherein you have to put on the glasses. All those can be termed as the context or situation that comes in that. And finally we have the props and possible solutions. Props means the technologies or any kind of stuff which you are going to use it for the building of the ultimate product or the solution which you are going to provide. And the possible solutions are typically the ideas which would be ultimately abolishing your problems which you are facing in the earlier phases. This is all about the ideation canvas. Then the last one is the product development canvas, wherein the actual thing, we can say a prototype kind of thing, but not exactly a prototype, but you get the idea. Looking at this canvas, you can get an idea that how you will start building of your product. That would be coming in the product canvas. Here we have made it for the working women. So we are having securing women and tracking of child. These are the purpose of our system. Then we have the people, again the same thing, but into the depth of it. Then we have product experience. Once a product is being launched, what all things which a user is coming up with, what are the experience of the users, that will come in the product experience. Then we have the product functions, that are the functionalities which our product is going to provide. Elaborating the functionalities, we will be specifying specific features of it, that it would be giving the message signals, it would be having a push button, all sort of features would be listed over here. It would be having a small size, lightweight, all these features. And then we have finally the components of it, wherein you will be dealing with these specific small aspects, such as a camera would be needed, a sensor would be needed. Each and every would constitute the components of the final finished products. And then we have the customer revalidation, wherein we will be giving our product for testing kind of thing to our prospective consumers, and they will be validating it. They will be sharing us the experience, what are the problems they are facing in. And finally, based on the customer's revalidation, we will be having a redesigning and a rejection and retention phase, wherein certain aspects would be retained, certain redundant aspects would be, we can say, it would be rejected from our stuffs, and a redesigning, a complete cycle can be repeated one more time. This was all about the designing.